Welcome back to Supercar, where we dive deep into the world of automotive excellence and sometimes the pitfalls to avoid. Today, we're tackling a vehicle that's taken the market by storm, the all-new Dacia Duster 2025. A Car of the Year finalist, praised for its rugged charm, incredible value, and surprising capabilities. But even with such a brilliant vehicle, new owners can sometimes fall into common traps. We've identified the biggest mistakes Dacia Duster 2025 owners make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them now. Before we jump in, if you love expert insights and keeping your ride in top shape, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Mistake Category 1. Neglecting essential maintenance and ignoring warning signs. Think a budget-friendly car needs less rigorous care? That's the first costly mistake any Duster owner can make. Underestimating consistent, scheduled maintenance and failing to heed your vehicle's warning signals can lead to accelerated wear and expensive repairs. For the Duster, a critical and often overlooked issue is misunderstanding its stop-start battery. Modern Dusters, especially mild hybrid versions, rely on a specialized, more expensive battery for their stop-start system. Ignoring its health or replacing it with a standard unit can cause low-voltage issues, cascading into engine control unit problems and even triggering limp mode. Always consult your owner's manual for the correct battery type and maintenance schedule to preserve your Duster's inherent value. Mistake Category 2. Misunderstanding modern vehicle technology. Your Duster 2025 comes packed with modern technology. But are you using it right? A common mistake is not fully understanding how to use these features effectively, especially the new electrified powertrains and the electronic parking brake. First, the new hybrid and mild hybrid engines have specific characteristics. The mild hybrid 1.2-liter TCE might feel a bit clunky at low speeds, while the full hybrid excels in city driving, operating in all-electric mode for up to 80% of urban journeys. But motorway fuel savings might not be as dramatic. Next, the electronic parking brake isn't your old-school handbrake. It won't engage automatically if the engine stalls, requiring a manual pull. Finally, for base essential models, your smartphone acts as the infotainment display. Don't expect a built-in screen. Understanding these nuances helps you drive more efficiently and manage expectations. Mistake Category 3. Overlooking driving habit adjustments. Transitioning to a new vehicle often requires adjusting your driving habits. Are you making these common errors? For Duster owners, especially those new to petrol engines or manual transmissions after driving diesels, hill starts can be a challenge. The Duster's petrol engines have less low-end torque compared to older diesels, meaning you'll need more revs, around 1500 to 2000 RPM and a more deliberate clutch engagement to avoid stalling or rolling back, even with hill start assist. Another area is the Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS. Features like lane keeping assist can sometimes react to poor road surfaces, causing beeps or warnings. Familiarize yourself with these systems and their sensitivities to drive harmoniously with your Duster. Mistake Category 4. Ignoring early warning signs and common Duster-specific issues. Ignoring a small warning sign can lead to a huge repair bill. Don't let these Duster-specific issues catch you off guard. Never ignore a check engine light. It could signal anything from a minor sensor malfunction to serious engine trouble. Similarly, overheating problems can severely damage the engine if not addressed promptly. Specific to the Duster, owners have reported issues like poor wheel tracking where the car pulls to one side and rust, particularly on white models, sometimes even on new vehicles. Additionally, some owners have experienced gearbox jolting and clunking sounds, or issues with the electronic control unit triggering limp mode, often requiring software reprogramming. Pay attention to any new noises, vibrations, or dashboard lights, and address them promptly to avoid costly repairs. The Dacia Duster 2025 is an exceptional vehicle that offers incredible value and capability. By understanding its unique characteristics and avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your Duster remains a reliable, efficient, and enjoyable companion for years to come. Drive smart, maintain diligently, and truly make the most of your Duster experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Supercar, and hit that notification bell for more expert automotive content.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing